In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view DEX Screener in TradingView. If you're using TradingView to analyze markets, adding the DEX Screener to your toolkit is really helpful, especially if you follow decentralized exchanges and on-chain tokens. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to open it, so you're not wasting time clicking around the platform. First, open your browser and go to the TradingView website. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything loads properly and you can save any layouts or watch lists later on. Once you're on TradingView's main page, look for the section called Screener. You can usually find it either in the main navigation at the top or directly via the dedicated Screener page. The Screener is TradingView's built-in tool for scanning markets by different filters and data points. When the Screener page loads, you'll typically see options like Stock Screener, Crypto Screener, or Forex Screener, depending on what type of assets you're looking at. What you want to do here is look specifically for the option labeled DEX Screener. Take a moment to scan the available screeners. It may be in a list, a drop-down, or a tab, depending on how TradingView is currently laid out. Once you've located the DEX Screener option, go ahead and click on it. This is the key step that switches you from the standard screener to the one focused on decentralized exchange data. After you click, TradingView will load a new view or panel that displays information pulled from DEX markets. Give it a few seconds if it seems slow, especially if your connection isn't the fastest, because it may need to load a lot of live data. From here, you can start exploring the DEX Screener interface just like you would any other screener on TradingView. You'll be able to sort columns, adjust filters, and narrow down tokens based on things like volume, price action, or other available metrics. If you're new to screeners, a good tip is to click on the column headers to see how sorting works and experiment with basic filters one at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. And finally, if you haven't created a TradingView account yet or you want to upgrade, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll have full access to the tools you need to view and work with the DEX Screener inside TradingView.